The state government has directed the Airport Authority of India in Shillong Airport not to allow the chartered flight of Jagadguru Shankaracharya Swami Abhimukteswarananda Saraswati Maharaj to land at the Shillong Airport. Chief Secretary D.P. Walang informed that the high-level meeting was held today to discuss the events. He also said that the government has strengthened security along the city to ensure peace and harmony following the recent attempt to hold a rally in Shillong against cow slaughtering. The meeting was attended by Chief Secretary, DGP and SP of Ribhoi and even East Khasi Hills.
Chartered flight landing tomorrow in Mumbai. We have assessed the situation all around both Ribhoi district after consulting the Deputy Commissioner as well as consulting the district authorities of Shillong. Shillong in East Khasi Hills, section 144, which is now section 63 of the BNSS, has already been promulgated, prohibiting any sort of rally and meetings. And likewise, Ribhoi district is also following on the same pattern.
The